It's Huggleberry Toy Surprise with another Sesame Street toy opening. This time we've got the Sesame Street Racers and we've got 2 boxes to open. Okay, let's open them up. Do you know who these Sesame Street characters are? That's right, Cookie Monster and Grover, Super Grover. There's more to collect. Preschoolers can have fun with these cool and collectible mini racers. Wow! We've got a lot of work to do to get them out. We're ready to get them out of the box. There's Super Grover. He's a blue monster with a pink nose, a red race car with a G for Grover, and yellow flags. And this is Cookie Monster.
Me, Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster's a blue monster, and he's got a cookie on his race car, and it's orange with purple flags. There's Cookie Monster, and if you notice, Cookie Monster's wearing his seatbelt. What a good monster. Our wheels move. The front wheels are smaller than the back wheels. And on the wheels it says 1, 2, 3. And the back it says Sesame Street. Cookie Monster. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's open up our next box of Sesame Street Racers. And who are these characters? You got it! Elmo and Big Bird. More work. Let's get to it. Last one. Did it! Big Bird. Elmo. Boom, boom. Boom. Hey, Grover, come on back. There's Big Bird in his race car nest. And that's a brown race car with some green leaves. And of course, Big Bird is yellow. And he's got some brown wheels. Very cool. Beep, beep. And that's Big Bird and his bird nest racer. And this is Elmo. Elmo's a red monster, and he's saying hi or howdy. And Elmo's in a fishbowl racer. There's the blue bowl in the blue water, and a fish, a goldfish. And Elmo's got blue tires. And they say 1, 2, 3. And it also has Sesame Street on the back. And that's Elmo in his fishbowl racer. Sesame Street, let's race! Sesame Street. Let's, Elmo, turn around. Sesame Street racers, go! Oh no, Big Bird spun out. Go Big Bird! Cookie Monster's got him on the inside. Cookie Monster's the winner. Super Grover's in second place. Elmo's in third. And Big Bird in fourth. Cookie Monster's doing a victory lap. There's your winner with the trophy. Yay, Cookie Monster!
Me, Cookie Monster.
You are the winner of the Sesame Street Racers! Thanks for watching Huckleberry Toy Surprise and Sesame Street. And this was our Sesame Street Racers with Cookie Monster, Elmo, Big Bird, and Super Grover. Have a Huckleberry day. Bye! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more preschool toy openings.